So, would you like to have an O2 sensor in a stupid old engine like this one? Normally you would say, oh, it's a carbureted engine. You don't need it. The engine doesn't need it. But in fact, the engine does not need it, but you do. And I will tell you why. Where's the point? The point is that whenever you want to set up your carburetor for easy start, for good idles, you have to have the proper fuel-air ratio. But let's be honest, the carburetor you have is probably more than 40 years old, right? So it's pretty much piece of shit. And you never know what is the actual mixture. Thing is that unless you are genius, your chance of knowing your air-fuel mixture ratio is pretty thin. When you get a usual O2 sensor from like a slightly more modern car and you have a proper indicator, you can easily check it on your own. You can easily check it even when you are driving. So if anything fails, like your carburetor gets loose and it will start sucking air somewhere around, you will know it. And your engine's not gonna go hot, and you're not gonna destroy it. So there are some advantages of that. And the indicator is actually not too difficult to do. It has to indicate you a voltage between, I would say, 0 and 1.2 volts. It shouldn't be like a multimeter or something. It should be quick indicator, so that when you change your voltage, or when the voltage changes, you should see it immediately, even flickering or something. And you just install it, and it's not a big deal. You need to have something with the proper thread, which is actually metric. It's M18 by 1.5 millimeter. It will be windscreen wiper nut, maybe the wheel nut, maybe half axle nut. You will find it. You can obviously buy thread that you can weld in your exhaust pipe. When you have the O2 sensor indicator on board, you will see what is the engine actually doing. On idles, you should have your mixture about right. When you are very light on throttle, it's okay if it's lean, and if you step on it, it has to be rich, like so. And when you get it like this, you will know that your engine is running happy. Whenever something is wrong, you just check the amount of air you have, and you will see. You can have some problems with your air filter, you can have some problems with your carburetor, but definitely you will know whether you are lean or rich, or whether you are okay. That's what we aim for, isn't it?